In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how you can book a ride on Uber. And I'll be starting from the registration process on how you can create an account and then how to book a ride on Uber. Without much further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, now on your phone here, just go to Play Store. You can see here Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. Then tap on it and you can see here Uber request a ride. This for rider users. Just install the app. After that, tap and open the app. If you open the app, you will get this pop-up here. You can see allow Uber to access this device's location. Just tap this allow only while using the app to proceed. Then to process and bring you into this page. You can see on this page here, enter your mobile number to proceed. You can come here and tap here and select your country. If you're in any country, just choose your country. You can see, but I'm in Nigeria. Just leave it on Nigeria here, and then come here and put your phone number. So if you put your phone number, just come here and tap on this continue to proceed. And on this page here, you can see they have sent a code to my phone number here. So just go to your phone number and check the code on your SMS, or if the line is on WhatsApp, check it on your WhatsApp. Okay, if you check on WhatsApp, you can't find it, or let me see, if that line is not on WhatsApp, you can come here and tap on this send code via SMS. Tap here. So this time around, they will send the code through SMS. So check your SMS if it is there. If you get the code through your SMS, just come here and enter the code right here. If you enter the code, it will proceed automatically to next page. You can see on this page here, they ask you to put your email address. So come here and put your email address. If you enter email address, you can see here, just come here and tap on this proceed to continue. And on this page here, you can see here, enter first name and last name. Just come here and enter your first name and last name. For instance, I can come here and enter my names. If you enter your names correctly, come here and tap on this next to proceed. Then on this page here, you can see here, accept Uber's terms and review privacy notice. Just tap here and accept their terms of policy and tap on next. Okay, you can see I'm almost done. You can see welcome to Uber. Want help getting your first ride? No thanks for now. Then here you can see here is Uber community's guideline. You can take time to go through all this to learn about their community guidelines. You can see one here, treat everyone with kindness and respect. Just tap on this I understand if you do understand them. Then right now you can see you have created your account successfully, and this is how the Uber interface looks. You can see right now. How do you book your first ride as a new user? So I'll be showing you to book your first ride. You can come on this where to and tap on it. If you tap on it, you can see you have two options here. You can come here right now and tap here and then put your location. Edit this one here and then cancel this one here and then put your specific location where you are. Now for instance, let me just say you are at Maraba. You can come here and enter Maraba to be specific. You can see here Maraba Market. You can choose this one, for instance, enter Maraba Market. That's where you want the Uber driver to come and pick you. Then destination, you can come here on this and tap here and put your destination. Now let me say that, for instance, you are going to Kubwa destination. You can come here right here and put Kubwa. You can see Kubwa, right? Tap on this Kubwa. Then it processes and brings you into this very page here to choose different ride option. You can see here we have Uber X, we have Priority, and we have Courier. Courier is for instance, if you want to deliver a parcel or an item, you can choose this courier and then send a parcel to a rider. Then you can see here Uber X. Uber X is the normal regular Uber that almost everyone uses. You can select Uber X, or you can choose Priority. You can see for Priority it is faster. You can see here under here faster. So for this tutorial, I will select Uber X. Now also you can come here and check your location and destination. Here's my location, Maraba Market. Here's my destination, Kubwa, where I'm going to. Here's the app inbuilt map. You can always zoom it to see if you request your ride. You can see, right? So after that, you can see here cash. On default, it is showing cash. It means that I will pay cash. But if, like for instance, you want to pay with your card, you can come right here and tap here and then change payment method. You can see here add payment option. You can tap on this OK. You can see add. You can tap on this add, and then you can see card. Tap on here and then put your card information. But for this tutorial, I'll be using the cash method. So I will go back. So I'll come back to the red options. So I select Uber X. Then you can see here choose Uber X, or tap right here. You can see it will navigate and it will show you your location. You can see here confirm pickup. You can go ahead and tap right here and then confirm pickup. For instance, I will tap right here. You can see, is this trip for someone else or you? So you can come here and tap no, it's for me. Or if it's for someone else, you can tap on this yes. But since it's for me, you can tap on this no, it's for me. Tap here, and at this point it will now start locating and looking for your driver. You can see it is searching for my driver. You can see, right? But for this tutorial, I will cancel it because I don't want to waste any driver's time. So I will stop right here. So if you get your driver, to pay with a driver which you can call, or he will call you, then you can take your ride. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye.